channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix your IT administrator has limited access error in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for latest video. First of all, you have to go command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on as, then copy and paste this command. This command available on my video description. Select all, copy and paste here, then hit enter. After that, close this window. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.